Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to explore why MongoDB is going to be the great choice, even though there are different other document-based databases like CouchDB available is there, right? So we'll discuss why MongoDB is a great choice. In previous video, we have discussed the general advantages or the benefit a document-based database gives in. Now, let's deep dive into what specifically MongoDB is going to stand out for you and how you can use it and why you should use it. First, let me give you the top reasons to choose the MongoDB. Now, MongoDB is not just another document based database, it is going to give you several unique benefits that is going to make you the ideal for the modern web development, right? So the very first thing is open source and the free to use. Okay, so MongoDB is going to be completely open source. You can use it without any license at any cost, right? So there is no recurring cost, there is no single time cost, so it can give you completely free. It is also offers a community editions which is completely free and that can be locally installed in your machine, whether it is Mac, whether it is Windows, whatever. Now for cloud based projects, MongoDB has got another version, that is MongoDB Atlas, so which is free tier for cloud databases. And if you are using the small applications or if you are using for the learning purpose, that is going to be the perfect cloud database. Then let's jump into the second advantage or second benefit with respect to the MongoDB. MongoDB is a document based database. So this is going to store the data as a document itself. Now it is going to store like a JSON or a Bison format. Okay. So easily it is going to handle some complex relationship hierarchy across your data structure. So it is very ideal for applications that has got very flexible schema, and also if you want to do the rapid development like POCs or a proof of concept has to be done, or you need to do some different document based database analysis and something, you easily use it. So that is the best use case to use for the MongoDB. Then we have this high performance. So MongoDB is specifically designed to achieve the speed and the efficiency. So it is going to support indexing types, which is going to include your arrays, your nested fields, if you are doing some faster query execution. Also, it is quite optimized for the low latency, high throughput operations which you are performing on the database, and it requires that kind of optimizations. Then it is very much powerful when it comes to be having that particular flexible query language. So it is going to offer a easy to use query language which is going to support the CRUD operations, the aggregation pipeline, which is very much used for the analytics, where people are using analytics for this. And then text based search also we can use. There is also a geospatial queries. So this is going to make your life easy, and also it is going to make it very simple to retrieve your data. If you want to do some manipulation on your complex data also, this is quite handy. Then the high availability, there is also a feature of replication. Now MongoDB is going to ensure that application or the database is highly available. It is going to make use of the replication set internally. Now this is going to include that the automatic failure, if the primary service is going to be going down, in that case it will recover. Then the data redundancy, which is going to improve your reliability, also your uptime of your server. So this is very mission critical applications which are used in productions. This is very ideal use case for them, and this is a very ideal database to use for. Then we have the horizontal scaling, where along with the feature of sharding. Now MongoDB is going to support horizontal scale out of the box. So it make you use of the sharding process to distribute your data across multiple servers. So which will help you scale your application. It can actually process your data as it is going to grow. So there has to be no downtime. It is going to be available, so everything will be up and every time. Okay, so with this scaling and with this sharding, everything is possible to scale and make it available. Then we have multiple storage engine support. So MongoDB is going to provide multiple support engines, so which will give you a flexibility based on your different use cases. So let's say you have a wire target, which is going to be the default one. This is going to support the compression based and the encryption based at the rest of them. Then we have in memory, that is ideal for ultra fast data access. Then we have pluggable API. This is going to allow to use the third party storage engine integrators. Then out of this, you can choose the engine that is going to best suit your performance needed and your security needs. Okay, so far what we have discussed is that, summary wise, when you come to like why to use the MongoDB is not only going to give you the core benefits, what the normal document based database, will also give you an add-on of like the powerful features of scalability. It is going to give you enterprise grade reliability. It also gives you a query based, rich query based ecosystems. Also, it has got a very unmatched deployment flexibility. Now at the end of this particular video, I would like to tell you that I have broke down this particular information to get you understand why MongoDB is a great choice whenever you are developing the modern application. In this video, if you have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. If you found this video to be very helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.